Hi, my name is Joseph Junhee Chung, and I'm the very first graduate class of Trinity, the class of 1999. God so blessed me leading me to Trinity, and let me tell you why I consider it a blessing. When I first learned that Trinity was inaugurating, what I valued the most was that Trinity was an institution where its territory can be expanded. Her pursuit of academic excellence is on a par with other excellent theological institutions, and the non-denominational framework to work with will inevitably demand a healthy balance. Trinity is still relatively the new kid on the block, and I believe such a wing of opportunity is the bedrock that makes Trinity special. So let me invite all and those who would love to pioneer on new things to consider their training at Trinity. Thank you, and may God direct you and lead you on your spiritual journey.